Another example. Okay, given triangle ROS and triangle CAN. What is the value of angle N? Ano ulit ang hinahanap? Angle N. So, meaning, magpo-focus ulit tayo kay angle. Using the name and the illustration, give me one pair of congruent or corresponding angle. Yes, Mas Bang?
Angle R is congruent to angle.
Okay, very good. Angle R is congruent to angle C. Another congruent angle. Iho, Madahe. And the last congruent angle, yes, De Pamalio. Okay, very good. Angle S is congruent to angle N. Okay, that is the first step. Identify the corresponding angle. Our second step, find the missing part or the missing measure. Ang hinahanap ulit at anak ay angle N. Okay. So, kapag naman class sa sides, kukunin mo anak si corresponding sides. Pero since hindi naman na hinahanap si sides, so dito lang tayo anak magpo-focus. Okay, so again, what is the measure of angle R?
30 degrees.
Now, if angle R is 30, we can say also that angle C is 30 degree. Now, what is the measure of angle O? 110 degree. And what is the measure of angle A? 110 also. They are equal. And the last one, what is the measure of angle S? Meron wala? Wala po. Meaning, missing yan. Missing. Wait lang po ha. And what is the measure of angle N? X. So, missing din siya. So, what we're going to do is, we need to analyze the given. Okay, since ang ating first triangle ay may dalawang measurement, we can easily get the last angle. By how? Okay, by applying the two operation. What are the two operation? Plus and minus. Ito yung shortcut ha. So, what we're going to do is, we need to add the two angles. So, what are those? Angle R measures and the measure of angle O. Okay, 110 plus 30 degree. 140. And again, what can you say about the sum of the measure of the interior angle? 180. So, ilan ang kailangan mo para maging 180? Okay, after mo mag-add, magma-minus ka naman. So, ima-minus mo yung sum sa 180 degree. So, 180 degree minus 40 degree. 140 degree. The answer is? Okay, therefore, that is the measure of angle S, 40 degree. Now, if angle S is 40 degree, what do you say about the measure of angle N? 40 degree also. Do you understand? Yun yung shortcut, but this is the proper way. Again, the angle, the triangle sum theorem, the sum of the measure of the three interior angles of a triangle is equal to what? Equal saan ang sum? Equal saan ang tatlong interior angle? 180 degree. O, gamitin natin anak yung first triangle. Angle R plus angle O plus angle S is equal to what? 180 degree. Then after that, substitute the measurement. What is the measure of angle R? 30 degree. What is the measure of angle O? And what is the measure of angle S? Okay, so may nakalagay ba anak? Wala. So therefore, let N be the missing number. Lahat ng nawawala, small letter N. Okay, is equal to 180 degrees. So to find the exact measure of angle N, what we're going to do is, we need to combine the like terms. So when we say like terms, pagsamahin natin yung mga number lang na walang katabing letter at yung letter lang. O analyze natin, ano yung like terms natin dyan? 30, 110, at 180. Bakit si N hindi? Variables na po yan. Kasi missing siya. Okay, what we're going to do? Just add muna. 30 plus 110. 140 degree. Plus N is equal to 180. O, sino pa ang common terms? Ano pa ang common terms natin? 140 at 180. Bakit common terms ang tawag doon? May katabing letter? Ito po. Kaya sila ipagsasamahin. Okay, what we're going to do? Ililipat natin yung maliit na value na number. Anong maliit ang value? 140, 180. O, ililipat natin si 140 papunta kay 180. What will be the sign of 140? This will become negative. Kaya magiging 180 degree minus 140 degree. Katulad din ng ginawa natin kanina. N is equal to 180 minus 140? 40 degree. Therefore, that is the solution. So, therefore, we can say that angle S is 40, then angle N is also 40 degree. Any question? Okay, ma'am, bakit kailangan pa pag-aralan yan kung pwede naman i-mano-mano? Kasi may mga example tayo na may mga variables bukod sa missing. Example is like this. Ayan, may mga 2n plus 10. So, we need to know the proper way how to get the value of the missing part. Okay, so this time class, next example tayo. Okay, I have here triangle, SIT and triangle RUN. So, the question is, solve for n. So, ang hinahanap natin is small letter n. Pag sinabi natin small letter n, meaning yung small letter n na to ay part lang siya ng measurement. Hindi siya exact measure ng angle. Part of the measure of the given angle. So, what we're going to do, step 1, since sa angle lang naman yan, step number 1, get the corresponding angle. Esto, give me one pair of corresponding angle. Using the name or the illustration. Okay, very good. Another corresponding angle. Villa 1. And the last one, Raagas. Okay, so after getting the corresponding angles, so our next step is we need to analyze na. So what is the measure of angle S? How about angle R? Meaning, angle R is also 40 degree. Why? Because they are congruent. Next, what is the measure of angle I? 90 degree. How about angle U? 90 degree also. And what is the measure of angle T? 50 degree. And angle N is 50 degree din. But the question is, what is the value of N? Small letter N. So, meaning, alam natin na si angle N ay 50 degree. Pero hindi po si angle N ang hinahanap. Ang hinahanap ay yung small letter N. So, what we're going to do is, we need to use this. Angle T is congruent to angle N. Again, what is the measure of angle T? 50 degree. Pag sinabi natin congruent, they are also equal, right? Okay, and what is the measure of angle N? 2n plus 10. Iyan yung kailangan nating mapalabas. Do you understand? Okay, now, after that, let us combine the like terms na. What are the like terms? Yes, na Pamalyo. 50 and 10. Okay, anong mababa ang value? 50 or 10? Okay, ililipat ko si 10 going to the left. So, si 10, positive, magiging? Negative. So, this will become 50 degree minus 10 degree is equal to bring down 2n. Then, simplify. 50 degree minus 10 degree. 40 degree is equal to 2n. Now, how to eliminate the numerical coefficient of n? Very good. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel. What is the value of n? Okay, therefore, ito yung sagot na gustong ipalabas. 20 degree. Now, how to check if your answer is correct? So, yung value ng n na to, ipalit mo dito. Checking tayo. Kailangan equal ang makuha nating sagot. This will become 50 is equal to 2 times what is n? 20. Plus 10 degree. 20 times 2. 40 plus 10. They are equal? Yes. Okay, therefore, the value of n is correct. Question? Do you understand? Okay.